So this is a review of the SpeedIR Night Owl Plus system installed by a professional on my W220 Mercedes car, and it does not work. I will now explain you what's wrong with it. Let's start with the IR camera. It's here. The protective foil isn't removed yet. The camera should make some clicking sounds at startup. It doesn't do any. The wiring is okay. It has been installed by a professional and double checked. It goes here, then through this box and comes into the interior of the car, coming here where the SpeedIR box is. The monitor is wired correctly and suitable. This has been confirmed by the SpeedIR customer service. As you can see, no signal. Now, when we look at the SpeedIR box, all wires are connected, power is on, and as we can see from the red LED light, power supply is provided. Now, what's wrong? According to the instructions of the SpeedIR system, when the power switch is turned on, additionally the green LED light should turn on, but it doesn't. So evidently the box must be faulty, because there is power supply as indicated by the red LED light, but the box doesn't start working as there is no green LED light when I switch the box on. I hope that the SpeedIR customer service will at last react and give me a replacement under warranty. I bought this item a month ago, and so far the experience with the customer service has been very disappointing. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.